Let's friends know that which tattoo machine should the new students get. Should we buy an expensive machine or buy a cheap machine? There is a problem later. I would say that if you are new then you would not want to spend much money. So you buy a good machine cheaply, which should not be very expensive, but should not be very cheap either. Should be a mid-priced machine. When I was learning tattoo for the first time, I had taken a coil machine. It is a coil machine. What happens in a coil machine is that we have to set it again and again. The spring bothers again and again. There is a lot of difficulty in changing the needle again and again. Secondly, here the connection gets rusted. There is a lot of problem. Recently there was a lot of problem with the machine when I bought this machine. Because I was new, I didn't know much and I didn't have a budget, so I managed with this. I drove with it for at least 6 months. Then I earned some money and after that I shifted to rotary machine. This is a rotary machine. Looking at its condition, you must be knowing that it is a very old machine. It has been around 4 to 5 years. Too worn out yet I still use it. So far there has been no problem in this. The advantage of this machine is that it lasts for a long time if you have kept it properly. As oiling has to be done in it so that it does not get jammed. I have one more machine, which I bought after that. I use it sparingly, because I found its force a little less. That's why I use it sparingly. This one is from Stroer and this one is from Dutchland. Both machines are good. This one is twice the price, still I like the old one more. Because it runs very well. This machine is light in weight as compared to other machines. There is a lot of difference between the weight of a coil machine and the weight of a rotary machine. There is a difference of almost double. So if you are new then why not take the machine at all? Change yourself according to the times. The old artists used the coil machine. The rotary machine is an advanced technology from the coil machine in today's time. It is not that the machine is not good, it is also a very good machine. But if you are new then there is a lot of hassle in this. You have to set it again and again. You have to set this machine as many times as you change the needle. From time to time, carbon accumulates here, which has to be cleaned. Due to which one has to face the problem. So there are many problems in this. The biggest thing about the coil machine is that you have to buy 2 machines, a separate machine for the line and a separate machine for shading. But this is not a problem with rotary machine, it is a universal machine which does both line and shading. There is no setting hassle in this, just set the voltage and control on hand. After that comes pen machine. Both these machines come in the series of rotary machine. Both these machines are motor operated. It is also called direct drive machine. Therefore it is easy to use. The advantage of pen machine is that we can set the depth of its needle by rotating it from here. You can see the gap here. Its gap can be reduced or increased. The pen machine has a good balance, easy to use. In rotary machines, however, its one-sided weight is sometimes a problem. Like when we grip it and when we are running it, it tilts from one side. But this does not happen in a pen machine, its balance is very good. Like we're running a thick marker pen, very easy. There are many advantages of pen machine. In this you are seeing DC female sockets. There are 2 types of cables in it, as you can see in the rotary machine that there are 2 types of connectors in it. The DC type and the RCA type, same as the different cables come for the phone. In the same way, there are 2 types of cable in the pen machine also, like these DC types. Now with time when pen machine update, then I took wireless pen machine. The advantage of wireless pen machine is that you get the battery inside it. Some machine comes with fixed battery, but it has a removable battery. It has a 1200 mAh battery. It runs comfortably for 6 to 8 hours. The advantage of having a wireless pen machine is that you can work at every place where there is difficulty in working with a wired tattoo machine, like on the neck. Second, it gives good results. Everything would have been in your hands, as if you are working somewhere outside. There would be no problem. No wires, no power supply to carry, no mains plug hassle. Just grab the ink, machine and needles and get started. Simple as that. The same thing happens in this. It also changes the depth of the needle by rotating it. From here the power turns on, and from here the voltage increases, and from here the voltage decreases. So many brands come in pen machine also. Now, as far as the matter of machines is concerned, if you are taking rotary machines, then you can buy any machine up to 5,000 to 7,000. We are taking pen machine, whether it is wireless or normal. This one is available for 6,000 to 7,000, this wireless one is available for 13,000. So take care of your budget, but there is no need to take pen machine in starting. You can start with rotary machine. Do not go towards the brand or expensive machine. Chin Inexpensive Machine is a very famous machine. It has two machines, Thunder and Sol Nova, very good machine. The machine for Chin and Inkjecta comes very expensive. If you have a budget, then you can buy that machine, but there is no use of buying such an expensive machine in starting. So for the machine, I would say that you should take a medium-range tattoo machine in the starting and start learning tattoo. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also share and like this video to support me.